Hi guys, welcome to my Malo coloring channel. I hope you like fairies because today the main character of my coloring is this cute fairy girl. As the medium I will use a few colored pencils for a skin tone, also my old but gorgeous set of pastel crayons and watercolor and sketch markers from different sets. Well, if you saw my previous videos, then you know that I love to mix different mediums a lot. If you are on this channel for the first time, please subscribe, and if you enjoy this video, please do make sure you gave it a thumbs up. Also, I'll be happy to read your comments and feedback. Okay, let's speak about our mediums a little. I started from the background sky. I chose several shades of my pastel crayons, and this is the most easy way to draw with crayons. I just make a few hatches on a paper and blend it with my finger. Don't worry if you cross the outlines. You can use eraser, but actually you will cover it with your markers or even pencils if you decide to use colored pencils. Okay, all flowers and fairies dress I will color with different kind of markers. Somewhere it will be sketch markers, somewhere watercolor. These markers have great properties for the mixing colors. I use at least 3 shades for every petal, and every new layer gives me a nice highlight and volume. Don't be afraid to experiment and to mix contrasting colors. You'll definitely have an unexpected but amusing effect. Okay, I finally reached the dress, and I will add a few hatches with my pink pastel crayon, just for an easy and quick feeling of a big shape of this skirt. I will do the same for her wings, but all the details will be colored by markers as usual. By the way, I will leave the link to this coloring page below this video, and you can find this one, Fairy, and a lot of others on my Etsy shop. I make printable coloring, so you can get it in a second. draw the skin, I took a few colored pencils of natural tones. I'm starting to shade from the edges of her face, from the dark to the glow, and I keep shaping some features of her face using shading. As you can see, it is almost colored. I'm just adding the last touch with my white pen to the fairy's hair. I hope you like the process, and I'll be happy if you have found some tips for your own creative activities in my video. Thank you for watching. Stay creative and inspired. See you the next time on this channel.